This script allows you to save and load paint presets with assigned keybinds, and then cycle through them with the Tab key. To start with, I'd like to thank Martin and Paul at Boris FX for helping make the foundation for these scripts that we've built upon. Paint presets are great because you can save your favorite brushes with any number of parameters set in the paint window to speed up your painting, or save brushes that help you with a particular workflow. I have presets that have my favorite brushes, and I have presets that have frame offsets for the clone brush that helps me with sequential paint. To save a preset, you first have to create one. So you can actually choose any of these parameters and change anything here, and it will be saved in your preset. So we'll just save one here with the clone tool, and we'll just save a couple more here and there. Now that I've made my presets, I have to save them. I press 1 on the numeric keypad to save the collection, and I give it a name. I'll call this Script Demo. And click OK. By default, presets are saved in folder names with the saved preset name in the Paint Presets folder inside of KMFX Scripts. So I'll just drag this window in here to show you. KM Scripts is where I have my path set up. In Paint Presets, you can see I have all my different preset folders, including the one I just made, Script Demo, and then here has all my saved presets. You can also change the path of where you want your presets saved by going to KMFX Preferences and putting in an alternate path here. And while I'm in here, you can see that there is a Paint Presets maximum cycle. The number here will set the limit on how many presets I can cycle through using the Tab key. Right now it's set to 10. So to cycle through my presets, I just hit the Tab key. And now you can see that I'm cycling through all my different presets. Without scripts loaded, the Tab key cycles through the viewer controls and various windows, so it's remapped here to cycle through the paint presets instead. You can always change the remapping. To load in a saved preset, press 2 on the numeric keypad. So now another dialog box comes up, and I can click any of these saved presets to bring them in. And now you can see I have my different set of presets that I've saved here. And you can also share your presets with other users or move them to another computer. Just copy the whole presets folder to the new location. And lastly, just a couple notes here. If you make some presets in a paint node and then load in a saved preset, the ones already made in the current paint node will be overwritten. So this action cannot be undone. So that's something to keep in mind. And also, currently there's not a way to discern which preset is loaded in. So maybe in the future we can get that fixed. So this script is only accessible through the assigned keybinds 1 and 2 on the numeric keypad. If you don't have a numeric keypad, you could always remap the keybinds. One very last thing to keep in mind is that when you save a paint preset, you're also saving your Silhouette project file, even though there is no indication of a file save. It's not possible for us to work around that right now, but we're hoping to in the future. So let us know if you have any questions.